channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to just give you guys just my quick thoughts on the Nadula hair that I'm wearing. I am currently wearing 3 bundles of 24-inch in the Brazilian body wave with a 20-inch frontal. I did also make this wig myself. So before we get started, if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button and following me on Instagram at jmarie, I would definitely appreciate it. So yeah, let me go ahead and get into this review really quickly. So I have worked with Nadula hair before, and the first hair that I tried from them was the Indian straight hair. So I will link that video up here somewhere. I don't know which side it'll be on, so you can check that out. But I must say, I think I'm starting to be a huge fan of body waves. With this hair, especially with Nadula hair, the hair is Brazilian, but it feels like, it just feels super lightweight. I have washed this hair and conditioned it and all that kind of stuff. I haven't washed it lately, so I did put some dry shampoo in it before I flat ironed it and styled it again. But it's really lightweight, and I did end up using all 3 bundles of hair for this wig as well. I may have had just like a tiny smidge left over, but I'm just gonna call it at all 3 bundles. Also, the hair curls very well. My flat iron and my hot comb are both dirty, and I didn't think my hair, like the hair was gonna even give me any kind of curl, and that's exactly what I wanted. I was gonna wear it straight, but I just wanted a little bit of something too, because I knew I was gonna pull it back just a bit, so I didn't want it to be too flat. But yeah, so I was like, oh, okay, it actually curled. But I will also link my first video that I did for this hair, just a styling video. I did a really sweet, simple half up, half down style. I'll put that up here as well as in the description box, so you can go and check that out. So with this hair, you'll also need hairspray. I did end up using a good amount of hairspray with this hair, because I did get a lot of flyaways for some reason. I'm not 100% sure, but I just noted with this hair, I got more flyaways than I typically do with other hair. You know, some good old Tresemme will handle all that. So I do like to add a little bit of argan oil to my hair whenever, really I do this with all of my hair, because I don't know, I just like the way it feels. I like the way, the shine that it gives, and it doesn't end up like making the hair too heavy, and it also helps control the flyaway. So if you do not have this, this is by OGX or whatever it is, I'll put it down below exactly what I have, but I use this on my natural hair and on my wigs, and it is a very lightweight oil, and I love this. So the frontal did come pre-plucked, but I did try and pluck it a little bit more. I didn't do the best job this time, because if you are following my channel, you know that I am just now really getting into trying to customize my wig. So I don't think I did the best job with this frontal. I tried, and that's all I can keep doing, but luckily it's not bad, because they pre-pluck it for you, so you can kind of zhuzh it up, add a couple baby hairs and a little swoop-de-swoops here and there to make it look as natural as possible. So that's a plus as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I love making these kind of videos for you, just reviewing some really great hair. And if you have any questions, if you ever have any questions, comments, I mean, you can put them down below, but if you want to get to me like right away, shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I'll put that again down here for you, and I will answer you ASAP. If you have something a little bit more elaborate, or you want some detail, feel free to always send me a DM on Instagram. I'm friendly. I will answer your questions, and I will try and help you make the right decision as far as purchasing hair, what kind of hair, what lengths, all that kind of stuff. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.